Hi guys, it is time for another Year of the Ear. I haven't done this in a few months, and this is July. Year of the Ear is a handmade Mickey ear swap, and it's hosted by Mary and Tony over at the SisketEars. The ears can either be handmade or made in a small shop like Etsy, as long as they're not made in the parks. And I just got my box yesterday, so I am very excited to open it. The last pair of ears I got were from Danielle and Ben over at Melick Adventures, and they made these really cool Monopoly board game ears, which are also magnetic because the theme was recycled, and I believe that was from April. And they actually made me two pairs of ears. And again, it's game pieces from the Disney Monopoly board game. And I just think that that was super, super cool. I believe the theme for this month is tropical / cruises. And I've never actually been on a Disney cruise. I've watched a ton of videos of like the Disney Wish cruise, and that is definitely on my bucket list to do at some point. So basically the theme can just be anything tropical or anything cruise related. She also added little puff stickers onto my box. There is Daisy and Goofy and Donald and Pluto, which I think I will reuse and put somewhere else. Okay, so let's get into the box. Very excited about it. Now I was very excited to receive this one because I noticed that she is in Prince Edward Island, which is the province next to me, so very, very close. And I believe her name is Serena Richard or Richard. Okay, so we have a little card and it says make a wish, and we've got stickers falling out. Oh, yay, it's Winnie the Pooh stickers. How do you guys know? How do you guys know that I love Winnie the Pooh so much? Here they are. Aren't they adorable? She says, hello, new friend. I was so happy to send you as we are practically neighbors. I love seeing another Maritimer enjoying Disney. I made these Disney cruise theme ears. I hope you love them. Serena's Sparkly Diary. Okay, so I will hopefully get to wear these on a Disney cruise someday. Oh, these are really nice. Look at that. They're so sparkly. We have a Mickey anchor. That is so cute. And it looks like she put like sparkles and sequins in resin. Did you put those in resin? That is so cool. I love that. I've only worked with resin once. It's very nerve-wracking. So that's impressive. I like that. And I like the rope detailing and the navy ribbon. These are so cute. You did such an amazing job on them, and I can't wait to wear them on my first Disney cruise. A friend of mine actually sent me a video of one of the cruise ships taking off from Fort Lauderdale, I think, and they had that signature horn sound of the Disney music playing, and it just warmed my heart, and I'm so excited to experience that someday. I sent my ears to Erika DeOcampo. I am so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but I will have her linked below. I'm very excited about these ones, so definitely go check those out. And all of the other participants are listed below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a colorful day. What do you think, Mickey? They're cute, eh? You need a little sailor's hat. All right, bon voyage.